Hello viewers. Today I have brought a very interesting topic for you. The topic is that Islam is really a religion or it is something different thing at all. Islam is not a religion whose cornerstone was kept by Holy Prophet Muhammad. The first brick of Islam, or the religion of God, was kept by Adam, the father of all mankind. It was being brought up in the laps of the distinctive prophets and the messengers of God. And the last brick of the building of Islam was kept by Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. This is the final product of Islam. This religion will be followed till the resurrection. The Holy Quran says in Surah Ma'idah, verse number 3. This day I have perfected for you your deen and completed my favor upon you and have approved for you Islam as deen. In this Quranic verses, Allah has clearly said that Islam is deen and has completed for us. If Islam is not religion and it is the deen, then, what is major difference between religion and deen? The religion is a name of spirituality and beliefs. It comprises the three ingredients. Number 1 is unconditional belief on God or gods. Number 2 is worship. Number 3 is social practices. On the other hand, Deen is a name of complete system of life, a complete code of life. Deen guides you how to run your economical system. Deen guides you how to design your political system and to sustain your administrative system. Deen provides penal laws and judicial system. In short, Deen is an utter code of life of mankind to lead them to the right path. In conclusion, Islam is not a religion. Islam is a deen. God therefore says in Surah Al-Imran, verse number 83. Indeed, the religion in the sight of Allah is Islam.